The exterior case of your Integra scaler may be wiped with a pre-moistened cleaning cloth or a cloth dampened by any standard surface spray cleaner. After you have cleaned the exterior case, open the reservoir bottle cover and wipe off the 2 dip tubes connected to the cover. Next, remove the reservoir window by unscrewing the retention bolt and gently lifting the window up and back. The reservoir area may now be easily wiped with a cleaning cloth. The reservoir window may also be easily cleaned on both surfaces. To reattach the reservoir window, carefully move it back into place and then screw in the retention bolt. Make sure to spray cleaners onto a cloth away from your Integra, and never spray cleaners directly into or onto your Integra.